Welcome, I'm from Oppo A52, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. Now to get started, we will need to open up settings. From here, let's scroll all the way down to additional settings. And from here, backup and reset. And at the bottom you have erase all data factory reset. You can confirm it by tapping on erase all data. And this will erase all data. Obviously, erase all data. It also gives you another message and that this will erase all data and cannot be undone. Again, no duh. Now, in other words, what it's trying to tell you, just not very clearly, is the fact that it will remove all your photos, videos, anything that you've captured with the device, all the apps, data that you had on the phone will be removed. So if there's something like, as an example, photos that you might want to keep, you should back it up before you begin, otherwise they will be removed permanently and there is no way of getting it back then. But assuming you have done it or you don't want to keep it, tap on erase all data and the process will now begin. Now this will take about a minute to like 5 minutes probably, and once it's finished we should be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.